blanket, y'all. Ooh, delicious.
Live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pizza in a blanket. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Here are all the ingredients that we're going to be using today to make our pizza in the blanket. Go ahead and preheat your oven on 375. Now we're going to open our crescent rolls. Now, y'all, I really struggle with trying to open this can. Like, literally, I've never been able to open one of these without using a knife or a spoon or whatever. I tried to go by the instructions. That didn't work for me. So, here you're going to see me struggling with this, but I'm going to finally get it open for y'all. And now we finally got the crescent rolls out of the can. We're going to place it on a cutting board and we're going to roll it out. And now we're going to separate the triangles. Now we're going to layer each crescent roll with marinara sauce. Add a slice of cheese. Now I did have to cut these in half just so they could fit on the crescent roll. Add some pepperonis. Add a little crushed peppers. This is optional. I love spiciness, so I added a little crushed peppers to mine. Now we're going to cut our sausages in half so it can fit on the crescent roll. Now we're going to roll each of these. We're going to repeat this process. This made 8 pizza in the blankets. Now using a baking dish, you're going to spray it with non-cooking spray. Now you're going to place your pizza in the blankets in the baking dish. And you want to make sure you're leaving some space in between each one. Now you're going to place these in the oven and cook these for about 15 minutes. And while we're waiting for those to come out the oven, we're going to go ahead and make some garlic butter. We're going to add some butter, some Italian seasoning, and some garlic powder. We're going to microwave this for about 30 seconds. And now that these are ready, you guys, we're going to brush it with some garlic butter and enjoy, you guys.